What a wild start to the day. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBit Solutions. Here is a quick market update, especially before the FOMC rate decision. If you tuned on into today's live trading session with my LPP team, we did pretty well. I'm up over $5,000 on the day, and that is as we short MicroStrategy as it sells off and gives back all it gained this week. It's not just MicroStrategy that's selling off. It's everything as of right now. You can't be very surprised. PPI report came out today during today's pre-market session. We talked about it yesterday. We wanted to make sure that you guys were all aware. 1 hour before the market opened, PPI report came out. Overall, PPI came in at 3.4 versus expectation of 2.9. Core PPI came in at 3.7 versus expectation of 3.7. With that being said, again, the PPI report did come in higher and much higher than what was expected, the 3.4 versus the 2.9. But PPI has never been too important to the market. Does this just support the case that the market is incredibly weak right now? But it was also irrational the past 2 days, just moving up for no reason. There is also more news of more attacks happening in Iran or from Iran. And again, increasing tensions in the Middle East, and oil prices are beginning to push even higher. Again, we stated this over and over again. The only reason that oil prices began to drop and markets began to rally were because Trump sent out tweets claiming that the Iran war was over. But what are we seeing? Continuous attacks and greater escalations. So again, please make sure that you understand the significance of his tweets and the influence that they do have, but also the little merit that they actually carry long term. As of right now, it looks like tensions are still rising, and especially leading up to today's FOMC rate decision, it's not looking good. For those that do not know, today at 2 p.m. Eastern time, it's one of the most important reports that's going to be released this month, and most importantly this week. It's today, and it's the FOMC rate decision. That's at 1400 or at 2 p.m. Eastern time or at 11 a.m. Arizona time. And then 30 minutes after, there's a press conference. I will be live streaming it for free on my YouTube channel. All you need to do is subscribe and turn on your post notifications. It's the little bell next to the subscribe button when you click it on my profile. This will notify you when I actually go live if you don't want to miss it. The reason why is because the rate decision, everyone pretty much knows that there's pretty much a 100% probability, according to the Federal Rate Monitor tool, that the Federal Reserve is going to pause. They're not going to be cutting interest rates, but there's even a slight probability that they might even raise interest rates. That's how bad it is right now. And if that's the case, then get ready for markets to go even lower and oil prices to push even higher. Again, as of right now, NASDAQ market isn't doing anything that it hasn't done in the past. We've been talking about this. Markets have been choppy. They've been consolidating. If you have not noticed, the common support range and common resistance range, all markets have been doing is trading within that range. So it's important to respect overbought and oversold levels, not because they have to repeat themselves, but because they often tend to. We will see today, after Jerome Powell goes live in that press conference, and depending on his tone, if it's hawkish or dovish, if markets continue to sell off or if they actually recover and push higher. Nothing is guaranteed in days like today. If you are uncertain about your position, I don't care if you are long or short. We just talked about it with my LPP team. Today is a very volatile day. I have an open position, but my position is light for a reason. If you're in doubt or you see indication of a reversal, when in doubt, cash out. Never be afraid to take profits, especially if your intention was just to trade something and or at least reduce your exposure before a major economic event. We do not know how markets are going to trade leading up to it. Markets tend to de-risk, but we don't know that as they've already gapped down. And we also don't know if we can see a V-shaped reversal. There are times that during the report, markets might react one way, but then during the press conference, they might react a different way. This is why we go live, so we can watch it together. Again, nothing is guaranteed. I don't care if you're a bull, if you're a bear, if you're up on the day, or if you're, red on the day. It doesn't matter. If you see that there's potential signs of a reversal or a direction turning against you, either do something about it or pay the price. Again, I wish you guys nothing but the best. I hope to see you for today's live session for the FOMC rate decision. It's not one that you're going to want to miss. So again, just another reason to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to message me via Instagram, and that is the third link in the description down below. Reminder, I am verified on every platform. I will never message you on Telegram or through WhatsApp or I will never ask to trade for you. There's been a lot of fake accounts that have been made of me reaching or contacting my followers. Very simple. I will never message you first. No one that's part of my team will ever message you asking if they can trade for you. We don't trade for people. We don't manage funds for other people. We don't offer copy trading. And we definitely do not trade on any Forex or crypto platform. The only service that I offer is my LPP team, and that's for those that want to watch me trade live. Literally the only service that I offer. And it's the second link in the description down below. This is the team that gets to watch me trade live, just like this morning, right at market open. That's all. There's nothing else. So again, please, if you've been contacted or you are in contact with someone impersonating me, just report them and block them. That simple. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.